Did you know there's a free toolkit packed with developer resources inside Microsoft Visual Studio? Introducing Visual Studio Dev Essentials, a free subscription that gives developers access to tools, training, and cloud services to build apps across platforms. Why Dev Essentials matters. Dev Essentials is a free developer membership that brings together the tools, cloud services, downloads, and training you need to build applications for any platform. Whether you're developing for macOS, Linux, Windows, web, mobile, backend services, or the cloud, it provides resources to help you get started and keep learning. Who it's for. Dev Essentials is ideal for developers using Visual Studio Community or Visual Studio Code, as well as students, hobbyists, and professionals using Microsoft Visual Studio Professional or Microsoft Visual Studio Enterprise. What you get. Members gain access to developer tools, learning resources, and software downloads, along with cloud services like a free Microsoft Azure account that includes $200 in credits and tools such as Microsoft SQL Server Developer Edition. How to get started? Visit the Dev Essentials page, sign in with your Microsoft account, and activate the benefits you want. From there, you can explore tools, cloud credits, downloads, and training resources all in one place. Start with whatever sparks your curiosity, whether it's a new language, cloud service, or developer workflow improvement. Stay tuned for more Visual Studio updates.